Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you so much for joining us as we take a look at your weather forecast as the cold blast comes in. Winter is waking up. This is the Misery Index, and once again you can see the blue pushing towards us. Obviously that's the colder air and it is climbing up towards the South Island. Bit of a cold morning, but this is the colder stuff coming through. In fact, let's animate it. You can sort of see that southerly pushing in to the lower half of the South Island. It'll do so overnight tonight and into Wednesday. It will move right up across the country. So you've got warmer west to northwest winds for the North Island's east coast today. In fact, you've got sort of what Canterbury had yesterday when it got up into the early 20s. Today we'll see Hawke's Bay, Gisborne areas fairly mild, but you've also got the cold change coming northwards as well. No one escapes it. So this is tonight. Tuesday evening, you can see the dark blue line there over the South Island. That indicates the really cold stuff south of there pretty much. In the north, not too bad. You've still got the westerlies blowing through and just showers coming in, but the winds are going to pick up. You'll really notice that windy weather picking up overnight tonight. Now let's go to Wednesday, and now you get a feeling for the cold change and how the country is sort of broken in half. One side, very, very wintry. You've got this very, very cold air coming in right along the eastern and southern coastlines of both of the islands. So really, if you're in Invercargill or in Gisborne, it will feel like winter across Wednesday. But once you go to the western side, the mountains and ranges are going to really bring the sun out. So the west coast should be mostly sunny, and northerners on the western side, there might be a little burst of showers just coming through here, escaping through Cook Strait. That might affect Wanganui, Taranaki. I'm not sure if it'll affect field days. It probably won't, but there is the risk of a shower. Otherwise, and that'll be first thing in the morning, otherwise it looks mostly sunny and very cold across New Zealand for Wednesday. By Thursday, high pressure dominates the north here. That is starting to push into the North Island and ease that cold southerly. And in the South Island, it certainly eases the southerly. The winds come in from the west again. There's one little burst of cold weather before we're done this week, and that happens on Friday. And you can see there that dark blue line that goes up and around. So really cold again around places like Invercargill, Dunedin, and up to about Christchurch. But in the north, things are certainly settling down. The high is coming in 1030 hectopascals, a nice big strong high, but there might be a few showers just coming through on Friday, a very weak southwesterly. There is the chance that at Mystery Creek you might just get a couple of afternoon showers coming through, but I don't think it is going to spoil the day. And then we go to the weekend now, and finally that huge high from Australia, well, it comes our way. It's not as big as it was over Australia, but it's still sizable. Look at all the isobars coming out of it. If this was a topographical map, this would look like probably Mount Taranaki. It just sort of comes straight up. So this is a big high pressure system. It's covering the whole country, but there are a couple of showers just caught up in a slight easterly that might be forming around the north there. So it may not be perfect for everybody, but at least the weekend looks mostly settled around New Zealand. And that is all from me. Don't forget, we've got this cold blast coming through. Full information you can find on our app and at weatherwatch.co.nz, where we explain these infographics in a little more detail. That's all from me. We'll catch you again on Wednesday. Remember, Weatherwatch is New Zealand's first choice for a second opinion. We'll see you tomorrow.